am Mangla Sunil representing Helen O'Grady International. Helen O'Grady International is a pioneer in children development program where we use developmental drama to incorporate the life skills in children. I want to thank Prasita ma'am for the great initiative. You all are awesome teachers, the awesome group. We are all going to experience drama today. So are we all ready?
I thank Mangla ma'am and Prasida ma'am for organizing this, and Mangla ma'am to make us engage in all these activities. And like initially I was so sleepy and I didn't want to do anything, but gradually it changed. Like it was only because of her. Like it started steady, slow pace, and then it was going, and like we were just moving and automatically we were engaging into that.
Would like to thank Prasida ma'am for organizing such a wonderful workshop. So thank you ma'am for giving this opportunity. This actually made me move the whole body, like when I was a child. So thank you so much, bringing up that lost or hidden skills in me.
Very new experience for me, and you just opened a new world for me. I now know how to attend my children, our school children, and it is very interesting to know that we can teach our children in this ways. And thank you so much for this opportunity.